Bantog Lake Ranch dito sa Granada, Bacolod City. Malapit lang sa bahay namin. So actually first time naming pumunta dito ni Happy kasi hindi ko alam na meron palang maganda pala dito. So just watch. So papakita ko sa inyo, meron dong area. Ngayon papakita ko sa inyo, merong lake dito. As you can see, super peaceful talaga yung place. So kung gusto mo meron kang peace of mind, tara pumunta ka na dito kasi maganda talaga yung place. As in, you are very close to nature. So ito ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung lake dito. So pwede kayong mag-boating dito sa lake na to. Okay, kung gusto nyo kasama yung girlfriend nyo, yung boyfriend nyo, yung family nyo, mga anak nyo, super ganda talaga dito. Tingnan nyo, ayan, pakita mo sa kanila. Bay, there, this one. Tingnan nyo, ayan. So ganyan, meron dyan nag-boating. Yan. So, super nice talaga yung place. Very peaceful. Yan. So, kung gusto nyong mag-overnight dito, pwede din kayong mag-overnight dito for, let us say, 3,000 to 4,000 pesos. Pwede na kayong mag-overnight dito. Ayan. So, free na yung boating at saka horse riding. Na andun sa kabila, merong horse riding dyan, doon. So, medyo talagang malawak yung place dito. As in, super, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng place. Ma-in-love talaga kayo sa place dito. At saka malapit lang siya here in Bacolod. Accessible lang. So, as in.
Go.
Okay, so hello guys, welcome back. So to be continued, ito yung place, ito yung boating area. So kung gusto nyong mag-boating dito, so dito kayo pumunta. So just for only 95 pesos, you can have your boating here. Ayan. So meron ang in charge dito. Yan, dyan. Pwede na kayong mag-boating. Tingnan nyo. O, diba ang ganda? Ayan. See? Diba? Super nice yung place. Ma-in-love ka talaga sa place. Kasi para sa akin, at saka kay Habi, talagang super ganda ng place. So, meron ding mga life jacket dito kung gusto mong for safety. Ayan. While you're on boating. Yan. Nice.
Show this life jacket.
Okay, so, ayan na. So, you want to go for boating?
You want to go for boating?
Yeah. Sige na, let's go.
So, hello Maria Lodex. Gabriel. Where are we right now?
Bantog Lake Ranch in Granada.
In Granada.
Yes. You can do the boating here. You can do boating.
Yeah.
You can do the boating there. Can you see that? Very nice place.
Ooh. Babe, I'm going for that boat. I saw, you see, they are driving the boat.
Yes, very nice.
Let's go and try. It's okay. Let's go. Let's drive the boat. You see, they are driving the boat. Where are they going?
Nothing lang yan, just there.
Let's go.